morning, I'm Patrick from support from here at ABD, here with your Thursday tidbit. Did you know keyboard shortcuts can save up to 2 minutes each day? That accounts for over 40 minutes in a single month, or up to 8 hours over the period of a year. That's why here at ABD, we've come up with a list of keyboard shortcuts to help you be efficient and help navigate through UltraStaff Edge. For instance, if you press Control D anywhere in Edge Front Office, you'll immediately go back to the dashboard. Or Alt, N, and C will bring up the menu for a new client. For these, or the list of all the other keyboard shortcuts, simply go to Edge Front Office, click on the name in the upper right-hand corner, and then the drop-down is the shortcut. This will bring up the complete list, which you could print off and start using right away. This has been your Thursday tidbit. Hope you enjoy.